Hello, I'm Emmanuel and this is Kitchen Ordinaire. I love playing around in the kitchen, having a good time while putting together simple but delicious meals that don't break the bank. So let's cook dinner together and have some fun! Hello everybody! Today is Eat Your Veggies Day. These are gourds. We're not going to eat them. They're decorative. That's right, it's decorative gourd season. So what do we have here? We have rice vinegar, we have some soy sauce, sugar, sriracha, and lots of cool veggies. You can mix it up as much as you want, but I definitely like to use broccoli, green onions, carrots. I've got some Brussels sprouts here. And some Soba noodles, which are wheat noodles that we'll stir fry later. Alright, let's start by pickling some onion and some carrots. Zing! And let's cut them up in sticks, or as the French would say, julienne. If you cut veggies in sticks, it's called julienne. I don't know who Julienne was, but apparently she liked sticks. We're gonna pickle this stuff, so a tablespoon of rice vinegar and some sugar, some salt and pepper, just a teaspoon of sugar. And mix that all up. We're gonna reserve this and leave it to the side. It'll come on top of the dish later for a nice crunch. That's right, mix it up. Looks nice, colorful. I like that. Note to self, put the phone horizontally. There you go. Okay, so see, I've got some chopped up ginger in there also, which I forgot to mention, but that definitely adds a nice little kick. So for the soba noodles, they go in hot water for how long? 4 minutes! That's right. Super quick. And have this ready because you'll want to rinse them up when they come out because they're super starchy, they stick together. You don't want that. So I have a story about noodles and draining noodles. Reminds me of my dad because when I was, I think 7 or 8, it was my birthday and he asked me, "What do you want for your birthday dinner?" And I said, "I want your spaghetti bolognese." And he made it for me. But when he went to drain the noodles, I guess maybe he was distracted and he poured the hot water, the boiling water, over his leg. And now every time I drain pasta, I think about my dad. Hi Dad! Pasta was delicious. Sorry about the 3rd-degree burns. Okay, so we start with the white part of the green onions, the celery, and the ginger. A little salt and pepper, and we're gonna stir that up for a couple of minutes. And then we add the Brussels sprouts. Basically, stuff doesn't take the same amount of time to cook, so you go in order and you put the broccoli last because the broccoli is done in just 2 minutes. Here we are. That's right, so why do you say sauté vegetables? It means to make it jump in the pan. Comes from the French verb sauter. And now that we've had our moment of culture, let's have our moment of rosé. Oui, oui. Here's an egg. Okay, egg breaking game with one hand. Not strong. Can do better. Please come back and play again. Yeah, now you want to wash your hands, dude. A little salt and pepper and a little bit of soy sauce. Not too much salt because there's salt in soy sauce. Yes, that's right. And we're going to scramble that up for a minute. And then throw the pasta in there. Even though it was nicely rinsed, it kind of sticks together, so you separate it. And then you saute it a little bit of the soy sauce and go to town. Here we go, fried noodles. Add the veggies that you reserved, then toss that together. How simple is that? Let's taste the Brussels sprout. Okay, delicious. So now we're gonna chop up some mint. There's a way to do that. You roll it up in a tight little bunch, and then you cut it. That's called the chiffonade. What's good about it is it releases the oils in the mint. And that goes on top. Alright, time to plate our delicious fried noodles with veggies. There's no right way or wrong way to do this. Just make it look nice. Yeah, I need 2 hands. Put some broccoli there. What I like is the color. And then our pickled vegetables go on top. The green part of the green onions. Our mint. And yeah, I had some pecans, roasted pecans. They're really kind of like a salad topping, but they're good on this. Go for some crunch. And here we go, fried noodles with veggies.
That's it.
Ooh, bonus section. If you eat meat and you'd like a little bit of protein and chicken on your noodles, just make some soy glazed chicken. So I've got chicken thighs, salt and pepper on both sides, and I browned them on both sides about 2 minutes each. Flip them again, and then you add about a 1/4 cup of soy sauce. Reduce the heat, and you're basically poaching the chicken in soy sauce. Cover it up. Give it another 3 minutes. Flip it. Then we're gonna stir that up. Make sure the glaze goes all over. Cover it up again. 3 minutes until the chicken is nice, done, and tender. Oh, why not add a little more of this? In total, about a 1/4 cup is enough. And then when it's all done, just put it aside. Pour the glaze over your chicken, reserve it until it's time to chop it up and put it on your noodles. Enjoy!